the Bible reveals to us how God works, what His motives are, and what the end could become if we would just allow His plan to proceed and take its course. And we know the story. What did Jesus Christ do? When He arrived at the place of Lazarus, Lazarus was already dead for 4 days. And what did He do? He opened the cave, rolled out a stone, and then He called the name of Lazarus, and Lazarus was resurrected and raised from the dead. And because of that, God was glorified. Why was God glorified? Because suddenly people came to believe in Jesus Christ as their Savior, as the life and the resurrection. Aside from giving back the life of Lazarus,